Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going to Chikbalapur. There's a guest house of my friend, so he told us join us. So we'll be enjoying the view. We'll be cooking food as well, and yeah, it's just a chill day. Want you guys to experience it too. So yeah, let's go. Me and my friends. We are a total of 6 members, so we'll be going. And yeah, so join us and let's see how it goes. So we all met. This is Dhanush. You guys know these people. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಎಲ್ಗೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ನಾವು.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಲೇಕ್ ಆನೆಕಲ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
So cook there.
We'll go cook. We got all the stuff we need for cooking.
Yeah, we bought this also.
Professional.
You Jeffrey ನಾನು
See guys.
ಇತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಿಂದಲ್ಲ
ಅವನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ
Joshua also got one. So we'll go there and I'll get back to you. All right, we finally reached the place. This is so pleasant. There was no houses or anything around. This is the only house here, and surrounding is just so peaceful and pleasant. While coming, we got our stuff as I showed you before. We got few snacks. We got tomatoes, onions, biryani powder, and all. So we'll be making biryani and also a bit of curry, maybe. So yeah, let's see how it goes. ಮಾಡು ಮಾಡು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದು ತೋರ್ಸ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಏಯ್ ಮಾಡು 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 ಹರ್ಷ ಓ ಬೂಮ್ರಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. We forgot to get chicken. This guy didn't remind us only. We are again going in bike to get chicken and something to drink, juice and all. So yeah, let's go.
Chicken fry, guys.
Who will make chicken fry? Our
Professional chef goat.
Goat will make.
Guys.
So, all right, as you saw, we are almost done with the cooking. We just wanted to take a quick walk around the farm. So, this is a huge farm with pomegranates in it. There's like hundreds and thousands of trees filled with pomegranates. And yeah, it's very calming, very peaceful. Even the sky is so beautiful today. um, the highway is also a bit further away, and there are like no houses around, so it is very peaceful and calming. Right now I'm super duper hungry, so I'll eat and I'll get back to you guys after I eat.
So as you saw, it was pretty cool. The scenery was very good, with the pomegranate trees and the sky as well. We cooked biryani and chicken, as you guys saw. It was pretty good. We enjoyed. It's around 5 right now, so we spent around 5 hours. Enjoyed a lot with this peaceful weather and peaceful place. Now we'll be heading back home. So yeah, come, let's go.
We are heading back home, and I didn't film an outro to this video, so this is me giving a voiceover. So yeah, we friends had a very great time. We didn't meet for a long time, so it was like a nice meetup. We ate, we chatted, and yeah, that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.